exam 3 has both multiple choice questions on lockdown browser, WebAssign, and extended response questions. So I will show you how to check for both lockdown browser and extended response questions. So first I am going to address the academic honesty, and then I'll talk about multiple choice questions on lockdown browser and extended response questions. As this exam is remote, academic honesty is paramount. So in the last 2 practice lockdown browser assignments, you might have noticed that you have access to past assignments, but during the exam, they will be temporarily disabled. You will not have access to the past assignments in the lockdown browser. And also to encourage academic honesty and prevent cheating, WebAssign provides certain features for faculty members in the lockdown browser by providing what is called log files. What do these log files contain? They contain the IP information, when assignment was downloaded, submitted, and there will be a timestamp. These log files will also check for patterns that resembles student cheating, and it has side-by-side similarities between 2 students to avoid group work. So, and also it also contains the information about how many times the student has closed the lockdown browser and how many times has they come back. So my sincere suggestion to you is, once you open the lockdown browser, do not close it. If you close it and come back before the due date, we will know it. And that is a pattern of academic dishonesty. So please make sure you do not do that. And also, once you open the assignment, it's a running clock. The clock never stops. And it stops only after the due date. And the clock runs for 60 minutes. Even though the total exam is for 90 minutes, the clock runs for 60 minutes. So you decide when you want to open the extended response questions and when you want to open the multiple choice questions. That's up to you. You have the freedom. But as soon as you open the lockdown browser, the clock starts. Remember that. How to submit extended response questions? Go to Blackboard. Under course content, exams extended response questions. You will see exam 3 extended response questions. If you click on this file, you would see something like this: exam 3 extended response questions. Currently, you do not see any questions here, but at 5 p.m. on Friday, you will see questions in the same file. Solve the questions on a piece of paper or take printout of this. As this is remote exam and to avoid cheating, to get full credit, you must follow step-by-step method that we have been using during in-class problems. After you finish the questions on a piece of paper, where to submit it? Go to Blackboard again. Here you can see upload solutions to exam 3 extended response questions here. If you click the link here, what you would see currently is this. You do not see this form is currently not accepting responses, but at 5 p.m. on Friday, you will have access to the OneDrive form and you can upload question 1 and question 2 and submit your extended response questions there. I hope that helps. Coming to the lockdown browser, I have uploaded a lot of instructions on how to install the lockdown browser software and how to attempt the practice assignments. So please go back to that video. I will address one thing in this video about lockdown browser. Our exam is usually 60 minutes, I am giving you 90 minutes because if you face any technical errors, one of the errors looks like this. So some students, even after installing the software, you might see something like this: assignment cannot be loaded. If you see something like this, what you do is delete the old software, download it, and reinstall the software again. That has fixed the problem for almost all the students. So I am giving you this extra 30 minutes for the exam because even though I anticipate that you do not face it, but just in case, if you do face it, you will have time to delete the old software and reinstall it back. So please make sure if you see this kind of thing in the actual exam, don't worry, you will have enough time. Delete it, reinstall it, and come back to the assignment. So I hope if you have any questions, you can ask me on Friday's class. Friday's class from 11:15 to 12:10 is mostly about exam 3, and we'll practice some more problems on exam 3 on Friday in the live stream. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. All right, all the best. Bye.